See old Ron that made him a jig here. I know he told me that he was going to take the cab off the 55. And I don't know if this is the new one I think it is the new one he just made. So he said he was going to take the cab off the vehicle today and put it on this jig. So I hear him in there chopping some stuff up. So let's go in here and see what old Counts is working on. See if we can help him a little bit. Got him. Alright, crew, so we are heading over to old Count's place, man. Haven't been over there in a couple of weeks. So I guess I do just a little quick Pontiac update. Anyway, I'm looking forward to seeing old Counts and what he got going on. I know he hasn't been able to do a lot because of he's been working on, I guess, building projects and stuff as far as his house and helping other people. Just like myself, I'm always doing other things, and it's like more in the wintertime, it's hard to get in that garage, man, and start knocking stuff out, you know? So anyway, we're almost at old Count's place, and if there's anything to film or show, if you got some cool updates, I would definitely turn you guys back on here in a second. Alright? See old Ron that made him a jig here. I know he told me that he was going to take the cab off the 55. And I don't know if this is the new one I think it is the new one he just made. So he said he was going to take the cab off the vehicle today and put it on this jig. So I hear him in there chopping some stuff up. So let's go in here and see what old Counts is working on. See if we can help him a little bit. Front end back. Oh, you didn't take everything back apart.
Yeah, I'm getting ready to pull it.
You gonna put it over here? You gonna put it over there?
Yeah. Everything in here is done. All I got to do now is water sand it.
Wow. Oh, you already sanded it too, didn't you? Yeah.
That's 3 times. I've done been 3 times.
Look how straight this stuff is, because you can tell how straight it is. There's not even no burn through hardly. I mean, you did a good job on that stuff, brother.
Well, like I say, this is the 3rd time that I've done it. Well, it will be the 3rd. I got to sand these things.
Wow.
This is the 3rd time.
Wow.
So now I got to sand these at 320. That'd be my 3rd time blocking them. Then I'll water sand them.
Wow.
But
God almighty. Wow, that turned out good.
They probably are not perfect.
That turned out good.
Yeah, actually, that did turn out pretty good.
Now that used to be. Now that used to be a little chrome in there, right? Yeah, a little chrome.
Yeah, I mean it was so pitted.
You're right.
But you know, you would never know that didn't have that. You'd never know that's supposed to have that. Chrome.
No, and I think and I mean,
never know.
And that's just gonna be the same color as the whole.
Actually,
fender.
Pontiac would have probably done this if they wasn't so chrome crazy back in the day. They would have probably just done what I done.
Why was they so chrome crazy?
I guess it just sold. I guess it sold. It was like everything else. That's what,
Wow.
that's what
I tell you, for you talking about this was gonna be the hardest these daggone fenders.
They was the hardest. They worked the hardest.
Golly, though, man. Look, I mean, I tell you what, man. Hey, I love that beige primer, man. That beige primer, you can see everything, can't you?
Yeah. Yeah, you can. Yeah.
Those inner fenders almost look like the 47 to 53 inner fenders a little bit.
Well, they have been modified, but yeah, the fenders was the hardest thing. The hood definitely wasn't nothing next to that fender.
That's the bumper right there. That's gonna be. Now, what color you gonna do the bumper?
He did the same color car.
Okay, but then he
Well,
got.
that's not really the bumper. That's
Well, yeah, that's the skirts really for the bumper,
I don't know what you call it. It used to be the grill, then I moved it down.
right? And because the bumper goes inside of these pieces there.
Bumpers go in them holes.
Exactly.
Yeah, so that'd be the same color car.
And this hood, man, that hood turned out good too. Some people, man, got the skills, brother.
Listen,
I'm telling you.
do the same thing.
Now, yeah, not at this level.
Yeah,
And then this here's the piece that he made.
Yours looks better than mine.
This is the piece that he made right there. I can't wait to see this painted. Then you got the deck lid. Now that deck lid was. See, he listened to me though. He tried to get him. I said, "Man, you can fix that." And he was like, "No, I don't know about that. Old counts." He a mess. God, that thing look brand new, brother.
Well, wait till you see painting it, I guess.
Oh, well, it's gonna be even sweeter after that.
He may look like hell when I get thrown paint on it.
Setting up the gas tank there. And what that gas tank came out of Caprice, right?
Yeah. Yeah, it came out with the Caprice. It's gonna sure work good, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a big gas tank.
Well, I think it's going. It should give me plenty of room for my exhaust on both sides right there. My gas tank. I mean, that shouldn't be no problem.
Oh, you got new brakes, new tires. Shit, like the Flintstones, only thing you need to do now is catch a hole in the floor and.
Man, that thing rolls good.
Yeah, it does. Wow. Throw that jig on there and then just lay that down on there, right?
See it?
Buy here, pay here at H&H Auto Sales Unicorn. Todd and Tim have 100 plus cars, trucks, SUVs.
That's all you need right there.
I don't like that. I'm gonna change that. I don't like it.
There she lays. All right, so I just come over here, guys, today just to show you the progress with the 55. But here, get stuff done, and then take it back off again and everything. And you saw all the painted parts in there. So I just came over to help him a little bit this morning, and now I'm gonna go home. I'm a little motivated, and I'm gonna go home and start on my projects as well. So thanks for coming along with me this morning, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button as well, and put your post notifications on, guys, so you catch all my updates. So like I tell everybody, if you got a fast car or truck, guys, smoke them if you got them. I'm out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.